to tell you more about the Craftsman V20 Brushless RP Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit and how it can help you upgrade your tool collection. Now, if you're already thinking, no thanks, I just need a drill, don't move on just yet. There are several good reasons to go ahead and upgrade to a drill and impact driver combo like Craftsman's Brushless RP kit. Having both tools makes you more versatile and your work more efficient. On one hand, you can have a twist bit in your drill and a driver bit in your impact driver so you can drill pilot holes and then drive screws without having to switch bits. On the other hand, you have one tool that specializes in steady state torque and another for impact torque. With the drill, you can drill holes and use the clutch to drive screws that stop flush or slightly sink into your material. With the impact driver, you can drive screws with more authority, using the impacting action to drive larger sizes more easily than you can with a drill. Using a nut driver or socket, you can also break loose stubborn nuts and bolts on the smaller end of the scale. The drill that comes in the combo is the Craftsman V20 Brushless RP CMCD713. As you can gather from the name, it has the high runtime and performance of a brushless motor. It's a 2-speed drill with a gearbox switch on top of the motor housing. In first gear, you'll draw the most torque and a maximum speed of 600 RPM. When you need higher speed but not as much torque, second gear jumps up to 1900 RPM. Overall, you're looking at a drill that can produce up to 350 unit watts out of power. That power level is great for a wide range of jobs and bit types. Accordingly, the drill has a 1/2-inch keyless chuck that allows you to use larger bits, such as the cell feed and auger bits that a 3/8-inch drill can't handle. While you're working, you won't have to use all your power and speed at once. When you need more control, you can feather the variable speed trigger to slow things down. When you pull the trigger, an LED light automatically comes on, lighting up the space in front of the drill so you can more easily see what you're drilling or driving. You also have excellent control when you're driving screws. By twisting the collar above the trigger, you can work in drilling mode or switch over to one of the 15 clutch positions to limit how much torque you use. With a 1.5 amp hour battery, it weighs 3.4 pounds, while the handle contours ergonomically in your hand and the overmold offers both comfort and grip security. Shifting over to the impact driver, the CMCF813 also takes advantage of a brushless motor and has a maximum speed of 2800 RPM and an impact rate that hits up to 3,500 times every minute. Combined with a maximum torque of 1500 inch-pounds, it's your go-to tool for driving a wide range of screws, including larger ones like 1/4-inch structural screws and working with smaller nuts and bolts. From a design standpoint, it's lighter and more compact than the drill. It measures just 5.5 inches across the head and weighs 2.9 pounds with a 1.5 amp hour battery installed. From there, it shares many of the same characteristics as the drill. It has the same handle, variable speed trigger, forward-reverse switch, and LED light, so switching between the two tools feels very natural. The combo kit is much less expensive than buying the tools, batteries, and charger separately. You get both tools, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag to store it all in for $199. That's about the same price as the bare tools by themselves, so it's like getting the batteries, charger, and bag for free. Even better, you get a free 4 amp hour battery when you purchase select V20 combo kits at Ace Hardware or Lowe's through January 31st, 2024. Craftsman backs the tools and batteries with a 3-year warranty. Keep in mind those batteries are compatible with more than 100 other Craftsman V20 products, opening up limitless possibilities. Have any questions about these two tools or want to leave us some feedback? Drop us a comment below, and as always, thanks for watching.